Project name One House, One Farm. Ekti Badi, Ekti Khamar. Mandate Funding for Farming Livelihood. One House, One Farm is a program of family farming and poverty alleviation. Bangladesh is committed to achieve the goal of sustainable development for all through eradicating poverty and inequalities. The Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina declares for a fight against hunger.
আমরা শত্রুকে মোকাবেলা করে যুদ্ধ করে বিজয় অর্জন করেছি। এখন আমাদের যে যুদ্ধ সেটা হচ্ছে দারিদ্র্যের বিরুদ্ধে।
One House, One Farm is actually a project of the government of Bangladesh, and it is mandated for arranging fund for the poor farming families. It is a unique program for e-financial inclusion and investment in family farming. They are becoming the part of global information technology, that is e-fund mobilization. On the other hand, they are using the fund for farming, taking decisions themselves, sitting in the evening meeting at their courtyard. The project actually enables them for farming, livelihood and empowerment.
One House, One Farm. OHOF. Vision of OHOF. Poverty alleviation and sustainable development. Mission of the project. Assistance to capital formation of the poor farm families, sharpening their skill by training and motivation, allow them to sit together at courtyard meeting, enable them to take decision independently, enabling them to develop need-based small family farms, ensure marketing facilities for their product. Objectives of OHOF. Formation of 81,000 cooperatives by 2016, involving 5 million small farm families by 2016. Optimum and sustainable use of local resources by 2018. Assistance to all smallholders in capital formation by 2018. Assistance to all small family farming by 2018. Skill development of 0.3 million farm families by 2017. Empowerment of poor farmers and the women by 2016. All management through e-finance and cooperative by 2016. Develop 500 sub-district marketing centers by 2018. Achievements in e-inclusion. Total fund $56.80 million. Total loan disbursement $37.30 million. Present balance $27.30 million. Total number of transaction 4,523,000. Number of online loans sanctioned 270,256. Achievements in fund mobilization. Individual deposition $45.50 million. Government bonus $125.20 million. Mobilized fund $170.77 million. Total investment $118.60 million. Per capita income increased $140. IGA Farms Unit 700,500. Investment in family farming. Fisheries 92,100, $16.5 million. Poultry 182,800, $23.5 million. Livestock 186,600, $42.9 million. Nursery 43,600, $5.6 million. Kitchen gardening 48,400, $7.4 million. Others 126,500, $19.4 million. Total 680,000, $115.3 million.
impact of the project, the income increases by $30 on 30 per family per year. The lowest income group reduced to 3% from 15%. And at the same time, the mid-income group rises to 31% from 23%. And a huge amount of capital fund, $170 million. And the online transacted amount is $52 million. And the underprivileged people, those that benefited by online banking, is 2.5 million. So, the underprivileged e-financial inclusion helps for the empowerment of the poor, empowerment of the underprivileged, and also empowerment of the women. And that is also highly appreciated by the common people in our country.
আমি কলিমাদানি গ্রাম উন্নয়ন সংগঠন একটি বাড়ি একটি খামার প্রকল্পের একজন সদস্য। আমি ওখান থেকে 10,000 টাকা ঋণ আনছি। 10,000 টাকা ঋণ এনে কফি চাষ করছি। তাতে আমার আরো 3,000 টাকা ছিল। 13,000 টাকার কফি চারা এনে বুনছি।
10,000 টাকা লোন নিয়ে ঋণ নিয়ে আমি এই ক্ষেত পত্তন রেখে এটা মধ্যে কালাই লাগাই। কালাই আমি 5,000 টাকা বিক্রি করছি। বিক্রি করার পরে হাল বাইয়া তারপরে আমি লাল শাক আর ভুট্টা লাগাইছি।
আমি এই সমিতির থেকে 10,000 টাকা উড়াইছি, হাঁস কিনছি 50টা। হাঁস কেনার পরে এখন বড় মানুষে ডিম পারে, ডেইলি আমি 200 টাকা ডিম বেচি।
Now the question of the sustainability of the program. Already government has taken the decision for expansion and continuation of the program. And that continuation will cover 10 million poor and marginal farmers in Bangladesh in the next 4 years. They are depositing money, Bangladesh currency 200 per month, and at the same time government is providing the same amount of bonus. So they are developing their massive fund 400 Bangladesh currency per month. And another support is given by the project as revolving fund 150,000 per year. So all this the integrated fund is developed by the poor people, and the 60 members in a village development organization. Out of 60, 40 is the female and 20 is the male. So the thing is like that. The fund is mobilized by the poor, the fund is used by the poor, and also the fund is managed by the poor. That's the all about my project.
বদলের স্বপ্ন আমার একটি বাড়ি একটি খামার।